Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Figma to Framer. So basically you just have to simply open or log into your Figma. If you don't have an account yet, then you need to sign up. And then what you're going to do is just have to open a project right here or a template right here. Now basically if you go to plugins, you can see that Figma to HTML to Framer or Figma HTML Framer or Figma Connect to Framer. So what I'm going to do now to connect my Figma to Framer is I go to Figma to HTML with Framer. So you can copy this one, figma.com/community plugin. And you should see this one, Figma to HTML with Framer, open as, go to your Figma basics. And then here, what you're going to do is create or open a new project, design. And basically, if you tap or go to your Framer, look for your plugins and then look for Figma to HTML with Framer. Copy this or copy this board, go to your Framer, and all you have to do is to control V or right click and then paste, and that's how you easily copy your project from Figma to your Framer. So that's how easy it is to connect Figma to Framer. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.